Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Move your right ear.
Oh.
Did you feel it go all the way down?
Yeah, like in my hips, kind of.
Into the hips? Move your left ear.
Oh my God. Oh.
That one got you?
Yeah, that did it.
It got you in the spine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a difference. Had to really pin you in there.
Yeah.
You're still kicking.
I feel looser.
Do you feel as much of a pinch on that side as before?
No, it doesn't feel as tight as it was. Yeah, I feel taller.
So overall, do you notice how much improvement, like pain relief?
Like in my shoulders, like a lot, you know, definitely in my shoulders. This was like my main issue here, but it's not as tight as it was at all.
Looks like you had an easier time getting up too.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for trying the ring digger.
Thank you. I couldn't hardly move this leg, and so I definitely have more mobility now.
Okay, is it different from what you've done before?
Yeah, I've never done this.
Yeah?
Like I've never been stretched and stuff. It's different. It feels so good.
Yeah.
Like I actually felt it.
Yeah,
You know?
and your whole body. How
Yeah.
does everything else feel? Are you more relaxed?
Yeah, I feel
Okay.
taller.
Okay, good.